Okay, this is where the leak is. Right around here. And so my emergency fix is to put a cup with a sponge on it to collect the water. But this is just an emergency Band-Aid solution. What I'm going to do is cut this pipe and unscrew the hose right there and then resolder it. Some of the tools that I'm going to use. First I'm going to shut off this valve. This is a valve that will shut the water off going to the pipe there. And here I can drain it into a bucket. Okay, here I've just disconnected, and right down here, the 3/8 pipe, I'm going to cut it with this pipe cutter. Okay, so now I turn on the MG2. Back at the table, I'm gonna take this fitting off right here. You gotta hear it. So this is MG2 running out of my propane torch that I customized with metal tape, and I poked small pinholes in there because MG2 uses a lot less oxygen than propane, so the air holes have to be smaller. And I got a pretty good flame. I mean, you know, probably could be better, but it looks pretty blue. And I can see solder popping out of this, so watch, I'm going to take this off, and voila, that's it. And I've got to go get the pipe cutter because I made a mistake. I'm going to cut this and then resolder this on here. And I didn't need this the addition piece here. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so basically I want this to be about this length, so I'm going to cut it about there. Okay, cut it. Same thing as before, shine it up. Okay, that's pretty good. Then I'm going to shine up this. I mean, it's looking shiny, but I'm going to just wire brush it with a 1/2 inch. Okay, that's clean, so I take my water base acid flux, and again paint it on the inside of the fitting. And then on the pipe. And connect them. Okay, and then I was told today by my friend Bill to wipe off the flux so that the solder doesn't follow it and it looks nicer. Okay, so we're going to try that. Okay. Magna gas. Alright, here's the solder. Let's see. That thing's up too much. I'm going to turn it down a little. Good. Okay, I'm going to turn the pipe to get some nice even heat. And the fitting, I think it's brass or it's heavy copper. There's more mass to it, so you want to heat the heavier fitting a little more than the pipe. And that way this solder gets sucked in.